Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to report a Discord server. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to admin it. So first of all, open your Discord and click on these user settings and click on advanced and make sure you have turned on developer mode and then close this. And now click above the server which you want to report. So I'm going to report this server, so I'm right clicking above this server and then click on copy ID. And remember one thing, if you haven't turned on the developer mode, then you won't be able to find this copy link option here. So please make sure to turn on developer mode and then click on copy ID and open a new tab and search here support.discord.com. and now click on submit a request, and from here select trust and safety, and here you have to put your email address and how can we help. From here select report, from here select option and what would you like to report. You can select any of them, and here you have to give a subject, and inside of this description put the copied link here, and you can attach something from here. And if you want to report the server owner, then simply click above the server owner profile and click on copy ID and give enter and paste the ID here. And the same way, if you want to report a message, then click on this three dot icon and click the message ID and paste it here and then click on submit. So this is how we can report a Discord server. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to admin it. Thank you for watching.